Alright, here we are, back at the same spot we seen that big deer at that I missed. 2 days later, it's about 40 degrees, the wind's blowing really bad. So we brought the rifle out today, hoping we can get him to come on out, see if we can't touch him with something. Let's go, give it a shot. So that's the end of day 2. Deer wasn't moving too good. We seen 2 does come in at dark, right at the last light. Didn't see much activity at all. I think the wind was blowing too hard and the deer just wasn't moving too good. They're bedded down. But did hear some heavy walking back to where we left. I think it was that buck walking back to the same place he came from the first time. We'll see what happens tomorrow.